We all know having a solid visual completely changes the impact of your presentation. But the problem is that professional design tools are tough to learn, slow to use, and very limited in flexibility. Like Amit, an office analyst who had to create a workflow in PowerPoint. He spent 3 hours just aligning arrows and fixing the layout. And Sana, an engineering student who used a free AI tool to make a flowchart, but the export was blurry, labels were locked, editing had no control, so it was useless for her assignment. This challenge is not limited to just one group. Office professionals, marketers, business owners, educators, students, freelancers, everyone deals with this daily design pain. That's why in today's video I'm going to test an amazing AI tool for you, a tool that can create mind maps, org charts, floor plans, flowcharts, workflows, infographics, and even pro-level scientific illustrations. It's an all-in-one software with the latest new features like 30,000 plus ready-made templates, complete manual control, smart cleanup, auto layout fixing, and professional quality exports. No hassle, no compromise. And there's a twist. EdrawMax V15's new Nano Banana AI powered floating ball assistant analyzes, cleans up, refines, and polishes your diagrams, just like having a smart design partner sitting beside you. So now let's see how powerful this tool really is in action. So without any further delay, let's get started. I've already added the EdrawMax link in the description. EdrawMax is an AI-powered, template-driven, cross-platform universal diagramming software. As you can see on the screen, you can create everything: flowcharts, mind maps, organizational charts, slides, dashboards, project management analysis, marketing diagrams, strategy and planning visuals, network diagrams, science and education charts, software development visuals, graphic organizers. In total, over 210 plus types of diagrams using EdrawMax. The best part is you never have to start from a blank canvas. It comes with 30,000 plus ready-made templates. All you need to do is search the template that matches your requirement, customize it as per your needs, and you're done. And the most magical feature is EdrawMax AI. Look here, you'll see the EdrawMax AI option. When you click on it, multiple AI tools appear like AI PPT Maker, AI Diagram, AI Flowchart, AI Infographic, AI Mind Map, AI Poster, AI Table, AI Bar Chart, and these additional tools as well. Now when we click on AI Diagram, this appears the Edraw AI agent. Whatever type of diagram you want, just type it in one simple sentence and it will create a complete AI generated diagram from your concept. You can instantly generate complex diagrams with AI. This AI diagram agent can create over 15 types of diagrams extremely fast. And the best part, you can chat with AI, refine the colors, change the layout, modify any details. Just tell it and it updates everything. AI generated diagrams also support multiple file formats. You can even upload documents like images, codes, etc. Edraw AI handles everything effortlessly. And yes, if you manually select a template based on your need, you will also see the AI template option at the top. Just click on it, add your data, type or content. AI automatically fills the template with your information. If your data is handwritten, just take a photo and let the AI capture the content. Your diagram can be seamlessly integrated across all platforms with one click export to multiple formats. Your diagram can be seamlessly integrated across all platforms with one click export to multiple formats. But real game changer is when EdrawMax V15 introduces the Nano Banana model. Yes friends, the new EdrawMax V15 comes with major updates, new features and powerful improvements. It's honestly next level. For example, EdrawMax Online and the desktop AI floating ball, EdrawMax AI, are now fully powered by the Nano Banana model. It now supports scientific illustration, creating professional diagrams for biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics and more. The use case is extremely powerful, perfect for everyone. You don't even need to open the EdrawMax app. On your system, you'll see a small EdrawMax AI floating widget like this. With its help, you can work on any document, Word, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, anything. And whenever you need visuals or diagrams, just click the floating widget, enter your text, describe the diagram. EdrawMax AI instantly creates it. Then you can insert it directly into your document. Here, the AI doesn't just create, it also reasons, analyzes, and answers questions. You can ask the AI agent intelligent things like where is the bottleneck in this flowchart, fix the dependencies in this Gantt chart, correct the scientific leveling in this physics diagram. This floating AI ball gives real-time suggestions and corrections. It wouldn't be wrong to say this tool has now become a diagram co-pilot for students, teachers, office professionals and freelancers. EdrawMax V15 can now generate pro-level scientific illustrations for biology, physics, chemistry and maths, lab manuals, research reports, publication visuals. Everything can now be accurately created with AI and fully editable inside the software. We rely heavily on infographics for video editing and content creation, especially when presenting facts and data. So let's create an infographic and run a real-time test with it. Let's imagine I want to create an infographic with this prompt: the future of careers in India after AI automation. Show a skill roadmap infographic with growth stats and salary ranges. So here in the Edraw AI Gen text box, I enter the prompt, hit generate, and AI immediately starts creating the roadmap infographic for me. You can see searching the latest data. Wow, look at this. It has generated a really solid visual. It even pulled insights from its own research across multiple sources, and the result looks impressive. You can download it directly from here and use in your videos during editing, or click insert to edit, and as you can see, the quality is genuinely very high. In the infographic, it neatly includes AI trends, skill categories, salary segments, learning journey arrows, icon levels, statistics pointers. Everything is properly organized. Then I asked the floating AI ball, in this roadmap, which skill has the highest ROI? The AI model decodes the entire diagram and replies that freelancing friendly, scalable skills like AI diagram creation, career infographics and documentation visuals show the fastest adoption and highest ROI. And the best part, I can export this generated infographic in SVG, PNG, PDF, Visio and PowerPoint formats. This means idea with AI, full control in software, total freedom during export. Who is the tool perfect for? If you are an office employee, a student, an educator or teacher, someone who makes research visuals, a freelancer, a business owner, someone who creates presentations, someone who makes research visuals, someone who designs career guidance infographics, then you definitely need speed, accuracy, full editing and export control, reliable template support, and the best part, you get all of this in one single tool. EdrawMax V15 powered by the Nano Banana model. If you ever wished for a tool that gives you the speed of AI and the control of a professional design software together, this is your moment. All you need to do is type your idea, let the AI generate the diagram, refine it with simple drag and drop, and export it in pro quality formats within seconds. Simple, fast, and completely frustration-free. EdrawMax V15, now supercharged with the Nano Banana AI model, instantly transforms your ideas into presentation-ready infographics, flexible diagrams, and accurate scientific illustrations faster than you can imagine. And the best part, your visuals fit perfectly in Word, PowerPoint, Google Docs, reports, assignments, anywhere you need them. So don't just watch, experience it, test it, feel the speed yourself. Click the link in the description and try EdrawMax V15 today, because real productivity comes from creating, not correcting. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe, because we'll keep bringing you real tools and practical skill guidance just like this. In the next video, we'll dive even deeper into AI diagram reasoning and expert workflows. Till then, make your diagram smart, clean, fast and natural. Try EdrawMax V15 now. Text to visuals your way.